The Sealey DSBC range of compact 12-volt lead-acid battery chargers are ideal for home and light workshop use. They come in a durable composite housing with carry handle and a 1.8 meter cable with insulated clamps. They feature an easy-to-read ammeter to indicate the level of battery charge, and also include overheating, short circuit and reverse polarity protection. Designed for use only with 12-volt lead-acid batteries, the range includes 3 models with 4, 6 and 8 amp outputs. The DSBC8 model also includes a 6 or 12-volt low or high power selection. The Sealey DSBC range of battery chargers, more excellent additions to the extensive Sealey range. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.